Hello friends, I am Paranita. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive regular notifications regarding computer science topics, education related important information as well as for government and technical job updates. Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see how to construct DFA of the binary numbers divisible by 2. This is one of the frequently asked question in exams. DFA to construct or DFA to accept the binary numbers that are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of the commonly asked questions, and actually many students are being confused in such questions. But it is actually very easy once you understand the whole procedure how to proceed. So we will see couple of examples in couple of videos, so that we will see 2 or 3 example of the same type, so that even if instead of 2 any number is asked to you, you can follow the procedure and you can make the DFA properly. Fine. So let's see what we want to do here is we want to construct a DFA that will accept the binary numbers that are divisible by 2. It is simple. So how to proceed? First of all, we want to see which are the binary numbers that are divisible by 2. So let's consider which are the normal numbers which are divisible by 2. Numbers divisible by 2 are, we know that the numbers divisible by 2 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Fine. But these are the decimal numbers. These are the normal numbers which are divisible by 2. But what we want the DFA for the binary numbers. So what we can do is we will convert these decimal numbers into binary numbers. So we know how to convert. See, this is very basic, but I want you to, even if you don't know how to do it, so I am showing each and every step. See, these are the numbers in decimal. So if I want to convert these numbers into binary, how to convert it? What we are doing, we can write it as 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, like that. So it will give me 1, 2, 4, 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 32 and so on. Fine. Now if I want to write down the binary for 0, binary of 0 will always be 0, 1 will be only 1. Binary for 2 will be, 2 means here, so 1 and 0. 2, binary of 2 is, in place of 2 it will be 1 and all the other places will be 0. So 1, 0. Similarly, binary of 3 will be 2 plus 1. So these both places will be 1. So 1, 1. Binary of 4 will be, here we are having 4, so this is will be 1. So 1, 0, 0. For 5, 4 and 1, these two places will be 1. So 1, 0, 1. Fine, I hope you have got the procedure. In this way you can find out the binary of any number. So first step is, what we did is, first of all we have to find out the number, all the numbers which are, some of the numbers, initial numbers that are divisible by 2. Then we will find out the binary of those numbers. Now simple, we have to draw the binary, we have to draw the DFA that will accept these binary numbers that are divisible by 2. Now which are the numbers divisible by 2? 0, 2, 4, 8 means this is divisible, this is divisible, this is divisible. If I write 6, 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6, so 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. This 6 will be divisible by 2, right? So what we want, all the ticked numbers that are divisible by 2, in my DFA these numbers should be accepted. So let's start making the DFA. We know that this is our start symbol. Now in the start symbol there is nothing. Fine, there is nothing. Nothing means 0. See, we are having nothing, it is null. Now whenever we are having simple 0 also, it is accepted. So what I will do, whenever I am getting simple 0, that is also accepted by this. Fine. How you can name it? See, whenever any number will be divisible by 2, which are the possible remainders? The possible remainders will be 0 and 1. Fine, only 2 possible remainders will be there, 0 and 1. So it is from this, see, whenever any number is divisible by 2, only 2 possible remainders will be there, that is 0 and 1. So only 2 possible remainders will be there, so there will be 2 states. 1, let's name it as Q0, 0 and 1. So let's name it as Q0, let's name it as Q1. Fine. Now whenever I am getting only 0, only 0 should be accepted because 0 means 0 and 0 is divisible by any number. So 0 is divisible by 2, so it should be accepted. So what I have done is I have made this state, this initial state as the final state. This is my final state or the accepting state. Fine. Now whenever I am getting 1, it should not be accepted. So one transition will go here, that is non-accepting state. And then 1 0 1 0 should be accepted. Now 1, here I am getting, after getting 1 I will go here 1 0. So 1 and so 0 should be coming here. The transition of 0 should come here, because 1 0 I will get accepting state. Then see 1 1, it is not accepting state. So 1 and again 1. So that means it should remain here only. 1 1 is non-accepting. Then 1 0 0. So 1 0 0. Yes, it is accepting. So what we need to do is, DFA means what? From every state we should get the transition from every possible state. Now here the possible entries are 0 and 1, because whenever any number is divisible by 2, 0 and 1, and 2 possible remainders should be there. So yes, from 0, only 0 and 1 numbers, because here we are dealing with binary numbers, right? Here we are dealing, see, due to this 0 and 1, the states are Q0 and Q1. And because we are dealing with the binary numbers, so only possible transitions are 0 and 1. So from this state, the transition of 1 is there, yes. Transition of 0 is there, yes. From this state also, again transition of 0 is there, yes. And transition of 1 is there, yes. So my DFA is completed. Now you can just check the numbers. 5 means 101, it should not be accepted. So 101. So from starting state 1, 0 and 1. That means it is in non-accepting state, correct. 110, it should be in accepting state. So 110, yes, it is in accepting state. So you can try some of the numbers. What should happen is, all the numbers that are divisible by 2 should come in this accepting state, and all the other numbers should come in non-accepting state. Fine. So this is, we have seen that all the transitions are completed in our both the states, and all the numbers are verified. All the numbers that should be in accepting state and that should be in non-accepting state, it is being justified with our figure, with our DFA. So we can say that this is my final DFA, that is accepting all the binary numbers that are divisible by 2. So it's just that you have to remember this procedure. Now let's see one more example of DFA of the binary numbers that are divisible by 3, so that you will get a clear idea, and at the end of that example, I believe that you will be able to draw DFA of your own for any given number that is being asked. Fine. Thank you so much.